If you e-file your Form 2290 today, it will most likely be processed instantly. Simply create your free account and follow the step-by-step instructions to instantly complete your form and transmit it directly to the IRS. When starting a new form, you have a few options. Since we are working towards getting your stamp Schedule 1 quickly, let's e-file for one truck. You will then enter the month of first use to indicate when the vehicle was first used during the tax period. For example, if you put a new truck on the road in January 2021, select the current tax year and January 2021 as your first use month. Continue to enter your vehicle information such as vehicle identification number and taxable gross weight. Proceed to answer a couple questions in regard to this 2290 and then choose your IRS payment option. You can pay your tax due by electronic funds withdrawal, EFTPS, or check or money order. Next, answer questions 5 and 6 before clicking Next. Our service fee is just $9.90 for a single vehicle. Get a Schedule 1 copy for your truck cabin and additional copies per your needs. When you are all set, enter your credit card information to process your service fee and enter any 5-digit number as your PIN before transmitting Form 2290 to the IRS. As a result of filing with us, you will receive a copy of your stamped Schedule 1 in about 15 minutes via email. Best of all, our live US-based support team is ready to help. Visit ExpressTruckTax.com and file Form 2290 now.